The wait is finally over. OnePlus has officially launched the OnePlus 11R in India, and it is packed with some impressive features. Let's dive into the details and see what this phone has to offer. The new OnePlus 11R made its debut in the Indian market on February 28th, together with the more premium Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 powered OnePlus 11. The phone was first introduced on February 7th. If you can't wait to get your hands on it, then you can simply go on to Amazon or other official channels. Moving on to its performance, the OnePlus 11R is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 chipset, making it one of the most powerful phones in the market. This, coupled with Adreno 730 GPU, makes the phone lightning fast and perfect for heavy multitasking. Now let's shift our focus to the display. The phone boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with an FHD Plus resolution, providing a vivid and impressive viewing experience. The display also has a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling through apps and playing games smooth and seamless. With the OnePlus 11R, you can be sure of excellent detail and clarity in your photos, as it comes with a 50-megapixel triple camera system. It also has a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for stunning selfies and video calls. If you like to hoard your memories on your phone, then the OnePlus 11R will satisfy you for sure. It comes in two storage variants: the base variant with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and the top model with 16GB RAM and 256GB storage. All the best specs would be useless if the phone doesn't have ample battery power to back it up. The OnePlus 11R packs a 5000 mAh battery that should last you all day with moderate usage. The phone supports 100 watts Super VOOC fast charging, allowing you to charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes. With the variety of attributes it is offering, the phone has a decent weight of 205 grams. It has a sleek and premium design, and it is available in two color options: Sonic Black and Galactic Silver. The phone offers a premium experience at a mid-range price. Interested buyers can get the base variant at Rs 39,999 and the premium one at Rs 44,999. So that's everything you need to know about the OnePlus 11R. With its powerful chipset, stunning display and excellent camera, it's definitely worth considering.